Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today I'm happy to go through the September Macy's Beauty Box with you guys. If you are not familiar with the Macy's Beauty Box, it is a beauty subscription that you can get from Macy's and it is $15 a month. You will get sample sizes in here, you will get a coupon usually every month, you will usually get a free surprise item every month. Sometimes you get perfume samples in addition to the monthly items. Usually there's 5 samples that you get, but it varies. We've had 2 takeover boxes in the last few months, which means a specific brand will be every product in the box. So last month was Kylie Jenner and that was an epic box. If you guys haven't seen that one, check out the video. But this month I have absolutely no clue what's in here and I cannot wait to check it out with you guys. So let's open it up and see what's inside. As we go through today's box, I would love for you guys to tell me what are your favorite products. Give me some comments of what you like best if you get the Macy's box. If you don't yet, why not? It's a good box. It's $15 a month. And you get a lot of good products in it. The box, I'm struggling as I get the box. But it is glued very stickily, glued shut. So I go through this every month, guys. You know the struggle is real with these boxes. But once you get it open, they completely fall apart. And I can see some stuff in here. So the monthly items, and if there's perfume samples, will always be wrapped up in the pretty tissue paper. There is a $10 off coupon, and it's $10 off $40. Sometimes it's $5 off 20. Sometimes it's 10 off 40. A pretty cool discount. So I will tell you the first thing is the free surprise item, and this is a very nice little cosmetic bag. If you can see, it is texturized. Those are flowers. It's really hard. There we go. They're daisies or sunflowers, which if you guys know anything about me, you know I'm a daisy fanatic, and sunflowers are right in that category of fun flowers for me. So this is about the size of an Ipsy bag. The inside is orange vinyl, so it'll be easy to clean out. The outside is a soft fabric. It does have a zipper pull, and I like it. It's got a little bit of a wide bottom. I'd say this is actually probably a little bit bigger than an Ipsy bag normally would be. You can see it's got a wide bottom, nice size bag. It's about the same proportions, but I feel like the base is bigger. Maybe that's all it is. So now let's check and see what is in our tissue paper this month. I always wonder if these have to be hand wrapped because I just don't see a machine being able to do this, but it could be. But would you like to have the job of hand wrapping hundreds of boxes or maybe thousands, I don't know how many they ship out, of packages of little samples in tissue paper? But they're so deep, so well wrapped, I have to assume it's hand wrapped. They've got all of our products kind of bundled up together, so I'm going to unwrap the bundle and see what's in here. How cute! Oh, I'm so excited to try this. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the Plumpkin by Tony Moly. And this is a Plumpkin Retinol Eye Patch. And I'm excited for this because I kind of have FOMO. On the FabFitFun box, one of the items I could have picked was the Tony Moly Plumpkin Eye Cream. And I did not get it. I really like Tony Moly products. And this is a single-use eye patch. But I get to try the Tony Moly Plumpkin Eye Patch. That's really cool. If FabFitFun has it where you can order that little pumpkin thing by itself, I might just have to do it because it was really cute. But this is the first item is our cute little pumpkin eye mask from Tony Moly. Our next item is from MAC, and this is the Legit Lift, and this is a lash primer. And this is a good size sample. It's a mini, but it's a good size sample of a lash primer. I have one that I've been using from Lancome, and it's white. And we just got one in the ice cream bag for last month, and it was clear. And I'm curious if MAC makes theirs white or clear. Let's find out. This is also clear. I'm going to just verify. This is also clear. I honestly like the white better because I can see where my lashes went. The clear does work pretty good. I don't know yet which actually gives me the best volume. The one that I just got from the ice cream I've only used one time, but I have used the Lancome one, a little sample I got moons ago several times. but I'm excited to try the little MAC sample out. So again, a little MAC Mini Lash Primer. Our next item is from Anastasia of Beverly Hills, and this is a clear brow gel. So this will set your brows, and this is the tiniest. It's smaller than my pinky tiny. I'm going to open it up and see what it looks like inside. We thought it was tiny in the box. It's tinier, so tiny compared to the box. This is as small as the smallest thing I've ever seen for makeup. I don't know how they managed to put that in there, but it is a brow gel. This whole thing has got to be maybe 2 inches tall. It could be maybe a little longer than 2 inches, but it's clearly much shorter than my pinky. It's a good, Anastasia Beverly Hills is amazing. You don't need a ton of brow gel. This will give you an idea if you like the product. That's the purpose of the Macy's. You get sample size products occasionally. I feel like once in a while, I will say actually, the last box, we did get a full-size mascara from Kylie Jenner. So you do get occasionally a full-size item. Most often you get the minis. It's $15. So you get to try several little mini items for a very little bit of money. See if you like it. And if you like it, you can use the coupon to get the full-size version. So not a bad deal. I'm going to put this little baby back in its little baby box. All right. Our next item is from Kiehl's, and this was one of our takeovers. I feel like we've had Kiehl's in every bag or every box lately. This is the Hydro Plumping Serum Concentrate, and this is a teensy-weensy 0.17 fluid ounce. So this is, I'm going to see if I can get where you can see. There we go. This is the little Kiehl's little sample. So this is a very teensy sample, but serums, you don't need a ton. So this would still be a good one for travel. You could probably get a week's worth of use if you use it every day out of that. Our next item is from Elemis, and this is a cleansing balm. And this is a good size little pot of cleansing balm. Now, because it's a cleansing balm, it's something you will use all over your face, maybe twice over if it doesn't get all your makeup off the first time around. So again, maybe a week's worth if you use this on a daily basis, but Elemis is an excellent product. So we've got a good little deluxe sample of the Elemis. It looks like our last few items, we did get some perfume samples. So we got Fame from Rabbani, and this says it is notes of solar jasmine, opulent incense, and sandalwood cream. I wonder what that smells like. And it has a little QR code to tell you more about the perfume, which I don't often see on these. That's kind of cool. It does have a nice light scent. I did not squirt out much, but it does have a nice scent. I like it. I do have to always clear perfumes through my sister. She's got sometimes more intensely than others, a sensitivity to fragrances. So there's some things that I will put on as a perfume and she's like, I can't be near you, I'll choke. So I always let her smell them first to make sure I can wear them near her. The next one we got is also from Rabbani, and this is called Phantom. This has fragrance notes of addictive vanilla, vivid lavender, and frosted orange blossom. Ooh. That also sounds nice. And they're just these little bitty samples, but gives you enough to try it and see if you like it. Okay, this one I think I like better, and I think it's because of the vanilla. I like both of these. I have never tried perfumes from Rabbani, so that is something new to try. 2 different ones from them. Plus, we got our 5 items from the box. And don't forget, we got our free item, the bag. So, excellent box for $15. I mean, this is a lot of stuff to get for $15. Really good name brand products. We've got MAC, we've got Elemis, we've got Anastasia Beverly Hills. So, we have some amazing products. So this was a great box. If you guys haven't checked out Macy's, I encourage you to do so. I will leave a link for you below. If you did enjoy this video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.